Hello everyone and welcome to the Firearm Firm channel. Today we are going to go over the revised ATF Form 4473 that ATF is encouraging all federal firearms licensees, FFLs, to start using immediately. But before we go over what you can expect to see on ATF Form 4473 the next time you purchase a firearm from an FFL, be sure to click the like button below and also be sure to subscribe to the Firearm Firm channel by clicking the subscribe icon in the bottom right hand corner of this video. These changes come about as a result of the NICS Denial Notification Act and the Bipartisan Safer Community Act being passed and the implementation of ATF Final Rule 2021R-05, which we previously did a video on. To watch that video on Rule 2021R-05F, click the link above. Now let's go over these changes. The first one is any firearm received by an FFL that was privately made, not manufactured by another licensee, must now be recorded on the ATF Form 4473. Privately made firearm PMF has been added to Item 1, Section A. It now reads, manufacturer and importer, if any, or privately made firearm PMF, if the manufacturer and importer are both different, include both. Next, question 10 has been amended to read, the transferee/buyer is now asked to answer whether they reside in city limits regarding their residence address. For example, if a transferee lists their residence city/state as Gainesville, Florida, but they actually reside outside of the city, they will answer no to this item. The next change is the following two prohibiting questions have been added to Section B. 21B reads, do you intend to purchase or acquire any firearm listed on this form in any continuation sheet or ammunition for sale of other disposition to any person described in question 21C through M or to a person described in question 21N1 who does not fall within a non-immigrant exception. 21C was added to read, do you intend to sell or otherwise dispose of any firearm listed on this form in any continuation sheet or ammunition in furtherance of any felony or other offense punishable by imprisonment for a term of more than 1 year, a federal crime of terrorism, or a drug trafficking offense? The last major change really does not apply to anyone purchasing a firearm in Florida, as Florida state law already requires the purchaser of any firearm to be at least 21 years of age. But you're still going to see it on the new Form 4473, so I want you to know what to expect. It goes on to say that to comply with the Bipartisan Safer Community Act 10-day waiting period on certain transfers involving transferees under the age of 21, Section C of the form has been revised as follows. Prior to the NICS/POC information, an instructional header has been added stating, notice, if transferee/buyer is under 21, a waiting period of up to 10 days may apply where notification from NICS is received within 3 business days to further investigate a possible disqualifying juvenile act. A NICS check is only valid for 30 calendar days from the date recorded in question 27A. Item 27C was amended to show the date an FFL may transfer a firearm should NICS or the state agency conducting the background check not reply stating more time is needed for the check. It now reads next to the delayed checkbox, the firearm may be transferred on blank if time period is not extended by NICS or the appropriate state agency and state laws allows, and then it says optional. A box has been added to 27D should NICS or the appropriate state agency delay the check as more time is needed to conduct it on a transferee under 21 years of age. It now reads, notice of additional delay of transferee under 21 years of age received on blank date and may be transferred on blank date. Also added to 27D is a box for FFLs to check should no response be received from NICS or the appropriate state agency for transferees under 21 years of age within 10 business days after the initial delay was given. Now reads, no response was provided within 10 business days after initial delay for transferee/buyer under 21. I will attach a link to the revised ATF Form 4473 in the description section of this video. Check out the revised form and let us know what you think about the changes in the comments section below. Until next time, stay armed and educated.